Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that are often overlooked. Check mute, increase volume, and verify Bluetooth pairing because a wrong output is the most common culprit. Once done, switch the audio output between speaker, earpiece, and a wired headset to force the system to reassign audio routes. If that doesn't work, briefly toggle airplane mode or restart the calling app to reset network and audio services. This can clear transient software conflicts that block sound. Now you dig deeper. Ensure the app has microphone permission and that the system audio level for calls isn't independently low, because apps can be blocked even when the device seems fine. Next, test sound with a different calling app or voice recorder to isolate app versus system failure. Booting into safe mode helps if third-party apps interfere. Finally, update or reinstall the calling app and clear its cache to remove corrupt audio settings that persist across calls. Finish by resetting network or audio preferences to restore factory routing if software tweaks failed. This clears hidden misconfigurations. Then inspect hardware. Clean mic grills and remove cases that block the microphone because physical obstruction often muffles sound. If problems persist, use a wired or Bluetooth headset to bypass the device mic while you arrange repair. Key troubleshooting tip: if switching to a headset fixes it, the issue is almost certainly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.